Igbo ndị mana ege m tekene kwa amụnụ. Something na-eme. Ịbịa na-abịa sị m na onwere ihe na-eme. Something is going on na Igbo using Enugu State as a case study. Something strange na-eme. I am here to figure that thing out, man. Something is going on. And use Enugu State as a case study. Something deeper than what we are or something deeper than what we are seeing between our eyes is going down and deeply, and some government officials say idea. Just 2 days ago, one girl be call out saying that 1 nefu. That video.
Good morning, everybody. I don't really know how far this video will go, but I just pray that it gets to the right people. So my name is Miracle Ezichukwu, and I'm from Enugu State, Udi to be precise. And sometime last week I came home and I heard that my brothers were kidnapped. They are brigaders. If you're an Anglican, you know what brigade is, girls and boys brigade is. And their actual job is just to go to a burial. One of their jobs, and they earn a living from it, is to go to an event, then play their drums and their trumpets and get paid. So this is what basically puts food on their table. But the organization is under Anglican. That is why it is called Girls and Boys Brigade. So sometime last week, they went for a burial at Eziago in Enugu State. So according to what I heard, they were on their way home when they got kidnapped. They were 11 in numbers and 4 managed to escape. Now, up till now, we've not seen the remaining 7. The kidnappers are requesting a whole lot of money. Some of these boys kidnapped actually came from the same parents. Just imagine the trauma. These people are requesting a whole lot of money, outrageous amount of money. We won't see that kind of money for this economy. These boys simply went out to make an honest living. All to be met with this. Enugu State government, anybody, please, if you look at you can help, please help us. I want my brothers back home. I just pray that this video gets to the right people, because at this point we are losing it. Please. Governor of Enugu State, who the local government chairman, please help us. Help us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mama. The girl tilim uba kwa no mo 1 year isa nefu. Ya boku ofu onyo buru ofu ibere ibo buru ito. Omo 1 isa akwụla ọtọ daa mmiri anụrụ onu ha amara ebe ha nọ. Emegide mgbe this girl tichara okwu a, fast forward to this morning. Fast forward to today, as of time of making this video, omo 1 now we are released. Then this video.
Sorry, Baba.
Thank you. I'm Nefugia. Omo 1 isa anonwa we are released. Kedi ha ya akpọ ihe nka ndị mmadụ ewelezia ndụ mmadụ na-atụ mgbele. Biko n'ododo akụnyem ihe kwukwu ihe akwụkwọ ya ọzọ. Ke nọ n'ụlọ gwara nke nọ n'ezi na nna azụ dị na ngega. We keep saying this and we say it again. Something is going on, and actually Enugu State chọrọ iji mee experiment na Igbo anyị. Enugu State catch UM experiment and something has been going down and people are keeping quiet about it. It's a no basarok because one day ya basatagi. Nigeria kano. Everybody ne receive kamanki instantly. Enwezi omugbo kana asage hapolo omoge. Kita everybody ne receive ofu ihamete tupu hanana. Odika that one had enough. Odika that one had rule. Nekwanya another lady. Bebe beti mposi na enyi ya nwoke na-efu. And mgbe enyi ya nwoke afulu efu. It is same carry the boy na phone ya. Debit alert where bata. Who and who withdraw that money from his account and where is that boy today? And I can end this video.
You guys, good evening. As you can see, I'm in my boyfriend's house, and he has been missing since Saturday afternoon. Like, the last time I spoke with him was around 1:50 or 1:50 on Saturday afternoon. He told me he wants to go and repair his phone, and I was in Aba around 3. Okay, I told him that I wanted to sleep, so he now said okay. So I was in Aba. So initially, whenever we are talking on phone, sometimes he would tell me that please, that whenever I call him and I did not get him, that I should rush down to Enugu and check if he's fine. And I said okay. So on Saturday, I rushed down to Enugu to look for him. And I came back. I knocked for some hours. I couldn't get him. I slept outside. In the morning, I went to call people that are going to break the door so I can come inside to know maybe if he's lying. So you guys, I went to attend to his neighbors. They came in, so I had to make this short clip of when they were talking, because I was even the one that told them that he's been missing, that I've not seen him. So guys, since Saturday, okay, Chisom's phone went off by 8:26 on Saturday. Like, it's up to 48 hours, guys, and I've not set my eyes on him because I came here that Saturday. Immediately I noticed that I've not been getting him. I had to rush down to Enugu to check if he is okay. I haven't heard from him. He's like, none of his line is going through. Nothing is working. I don't know what is happening in this country. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just tired. I just hope he's fine wherever he is. I just pray that God should protect him. The last place he told me he was going to was Holy Ghost Enugu to go and repair his second phone. I don't know what happened to him. I don't know if he is safe, but I've gone to the police station to like make entry, right? We've gone there. His SIM card that is at home, I mean his UBA SIM card, I'm pretty sure he went out with his ATM. They were withdrawing money from his, and the last time they withdrew money from his account is today by 2:18 p.m. in the afternoon. The last money they took there was 442,000, guys. I'm very, very scared. I don't know if his mom is alive. I don't know if he's dead, but I just pray that whatever it is, he will come out safe.
Now, this young man kita na-efu na kedu ebe onye nke anụ nwanụ ko ya bịakwa bịa lepụtakwa again ka the other girl si wee tie mkpu na ụmụnne isafulefu. I know these things bụ our youth, men. People are na-efu n'ikem. I keep saying this thing. Ndị Igbo buckle up malụ na ihu na-eme. Ọ bụrụ na ọgụ na elike information ụmụ nwanne gị na-eselu ụmụ nwanne gị aside, aja na Igbo ya etigbukwa gị. Ana Igbo ya etigbukwa gị. I keep saying this thing. Ana Igbo ya etigbu gị. Wepụ na aka ọjọọ na ihe ajụ ihe ọjọọ akaliana. Ana Igbo used to be a safe heaven. A safe heaven bụ ọsọ chụba gị n'ezi. Ama m mgbe ọsọ chụ n'ugwu Hausa mgbe anyị pe mpa akpọm n'aka wee nata. mgbe ọsọ chụ n'ugwu Hausa as of 2001 dị ya esekpu n'aka wee gbanata. Ana Igbo was a safe haven ọ ya bụ ọsọ chụba mgbe aha sị mgbe ọ nata kịta ị na-anata abịa eme gịnị, ị na-anata are you safe? Ka safe that is not enough. Nene video where Fulani men were arrested in a thick forest n'ime abalị na Enugu State.
This one's now be Fulani. Them be Fulani. I don't know what thing they do for Ugoye. They been come for inside one village like that. For Ugoye village. They come find them. I don't know what thing carry them come here. This one weak me. I still they talk am. What thing carry una come? Make una they explain. What una don't do was bad. We no need make una they come here again. You know come be like say we still be one Nigeria like that. I bet. What una come do by this time? Una no come during the daytime. Nobody feel explain. Una just fool carry 2 by 2. I be plank. I don't even understand. Wetin be all this one? Wetin they want they use and they do this one? Wetin they want use all this ones? Yeah? They go search you now. I mean they talk. They go search you now. They go search you now. Wetin na they do for here? You weak me.
Which kind of work will you do? Let's work with.
Manu na forgot that video. Kita ajuzi onwe gị. What is really going on in Igbo land? Kedu ihe na-eme? I'm an insecurity is like a rolling lion naturally devour the whole of Nigeria. Man, I keep saying that Ana Igbo used to be a safe haven. Ana Igbo bụ ebe ya bịa ọsọ chụgide gị n'ezi nata n'ụlọ izu ike. Ana Igbo used to be ebe ọ bụpụta ịpụta n'ọrụ obi ilu ego ana ihe ebe unuzogo ya naba. Ama m mgbolo onye mgbe epele mpe my grandmother na-ahapụ door ya open. Passage open, ndị mmadụ edina na passage, edina na veranda, alarụ ụlọ abalị. Most of the houses nọ na Ana Igbo then enwero gate. And still people are living in peace and harmony. People are living in peace. Enwere ihe na-efu efu. Ihe ejenwe na nke agbata obi jejagolo ọkụ, obe ọkụ wee menwuo ọkụ na be gị. Mana kita something is going on deeper than we expect. Edokwa na civilization na-abịa na eme ndị mmadụ mata ihe. Mana a lot is going down that people are not even paying attention to. Because we know experiment unu na-akwado iji Enugu State wee serve. Because you people should desist from it. People are missing. Ndị mmadụ na-eme ise. And I also want to blame our people in with this Fulani ndị Hausa nụ ejide. Unu jide ndị Fulani ọ bụ na ije ha na-eje adịrị unu mma and unu hand over to police. There is 90% chances that these people are going to be freed. Ka ọrụ n'ubi onye n'ubi a nabanụ. A na-eme ya eme. Kedu ihe m kwu? Ka ọrụ n'ubi onye n'ubi a nabanụ. Ihe niile abụrụ kamera gbaa kamera mee nka. Yes, it is enough. It is good to educate our people ka amala ebe anyị kwu. Mana most of the chances ka ọrụ n'ubi onye n'ubi a nabanụ. That is all I have to say. Biko na nature video ọ bụ niile na-edege important and they like it. Tila ya kana share button and also don't forget to subscribe and also drop your comment in the comment section. Come on.